A key part of the report submission process is for the reporting entity to sign off on a submitted and validated report to indicate that various fund type amounts are complete and accurate for all affected employees and retirees. Unless it is an ED or demographic report, the signature step must be done before the report status is considered complete. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to understand how the signature submission process works, how to access the Reports Ready for Signature screen and view report details, and how to either accept or reject a report. Once a submitted and validated report has been assigned the status of pending, the system allows reporting entity portal users with signature authority level to review the sum total of the fund types for all included employees or retirees, and to sign the report by accepting those totals as complete and accurate. If the totals are incorrect, the signer has the option to reject them as not complete and accurate. RP adjustment, ER, and ER adjustment reports are not marked as completed until the signature is accepted. As a report makes its way from initial submission to completion, notification messages are automatically emailed to contacts at both the reporting entity and TRS when the report status changes. Notices are sent to the RE's payroll contact and reporting official, as well as to the organization's RE coach. In the case of a report changing status to pending, a notice is also sent to the RE contact or contacts having signature authority. Submitting a signature begins on the Reports Ready for Signature screen. To reach that screen, from the Wage and Contribution Reporting menu, select Submit Signature. The Reports Ready for Signature summary screen appears. The Reports Ready for Signature screen displays a list of the RP adjustment, ER, and ER adjustment reports in pending status for which all detailed reports have a status of valid and for which no signature has been accepted yet. Clicking any of these report links displays the report signature screen for that report. When you're ready, click the link in the report column for the report for which you want to submit a signature. The report signature screen is displayed. The fields that appear on the report signature screen depend on the report type and, for regular payroll reports, the type of reporting entity. To review a description of each field, including an explanation of the conditions under which each appears, view the report signature topic in the online help or the user guide. Note that adjustments to a prior month's report are reported as the net difference between the amount originally reported and the correct amount. Negative adjustments appear in parentheses and in bold red font. Verify the required signature information for the current month's report and any prior month adjustments. To certify that the information in the report is accurate and complete, click Accept. If the information is not accurate or complete, click Reject. In this report, we'll click Accept. The Reports Ready for Signature screen is redisplayed, but the accepted report no longer appears on it. Also, an accepted link is added for that report in the signature column of the report summary screen. Once the signature status is set to accepted, employee or retiree records cannot be added to or deleted from the report. Also, when the signature status is set to accepted, the report is run through the validation step again. If the absolute value of negative adjustment amounts to a contribution type reported for periods prior to implementation of the new reporting entity portal is greater than the current month's positive amount for that contribution type, the signature status is changed to hold. If this happens, contact TRS. A TRS representative must remove the hold from the report. Reports released from hold are assigned to the pending status. If the report is not assigned the hold status, it is set to completed, and work on that report is now complete. Even though the work for the report is done, The information from the report is not applied to your reporting entity's record or the record of any included employee or retiree until the nightly posting job is run for that report. If you find a problem with the report that needs to be followed up on before it can be accepted, you can reject it instead. Click the Reject button. When you confirm, the signature status is updated to Rejected, the Reports Ready for Signature screen is redisplayed, and a rejected link for that report is added to the signature column on the report summary screen. If a signature is rejected, the report status remains pending, and a portal user with submit authority can correct any problems by adding, editing, or deleting detail records using the instructions found in the Viewing Errors lesson and the Maintaining Report Details lesson. An email notification is automatically sent to the reporting entity's payroll contact and reporting official, indicating that the signature has been rejected. If you are submitting an employment after retirement report because there are no retirees who worked or received pay in the report month, click the Submit ER No Retirees Employed button. A confirmation prompt is displayed. Click OK only if your reporting entity has no retiree information to report for the month and year displayed. The system displays a confirmation message that the report is accepted. This process creates an employment after retirement report for the month and year displayed in the confirmation message and submits the report signature. The report does not contain any detailed records.